welcome to another episode of JM Entertainment Exclusives. Right now, we are here at the Ayala 30th Mall here in Pasig City to witness another event made possible by Thai Entertainment Philippines. And it is the T-Pop Fan Fest event. And as mentioned earlier, nandito kami sa T-Pop Fest event dito sa Ayala, the 30th Mall dito sa Pasig. And in this event, there's a lot of activities. Isa na yan ang booth. So tingnan natin yung mga available booths dito. So we have here caps, mga T-Pop merchandises. Marami dito mga freebies, and yung iba naman, they are selling it for them to, to show their support to the T-Pop. Ayan, maybe we can ask someone, no? Pwede siguro tayo magtanong for, pwede ma-interview? Pwede ma-interview? Ayan, so we can ask, ate, anong name mo? Nix. We're here with Nix. Ayan, so what are the merchandise you are offering, and is it free or binibenta siya?
We're selling official merchandise from GMM TV mostly. So currently we have a spread of Me and T merch and other photo books such as the Jimmy C one and the Bon Creme one. We have an online shop po, Shop Aston. You can follow us on Instagram and you can add us on Facebook. Nix LB. Thank you po.
Ayan, so ilalagay namin yung link ng page nila. Tatanungin na lang namin yung page mo later on so that we can also offer it, or we can also makita ninyo rin kung saan pwedeng bilhin yung mga merchandises. Ayan. So mostly from GMM TV. Ayan, yay! Thank you, Nix! Ayan. Let's go! Ayan. So, marami pa. Aside from photo cards, meron mga personalized na mga like mga bangles, mga mga ref magnets, and may mga pillows. Ayan, na pwede nyong i-avail dito. And later on, magtatanong-tanong pa tayo kung sino yung may mga pwedeng i-share yung mga pages nila para at least yung mga hindi nakapunta dito, you can still buy it online. Ayan. Ayan, so aside from the merchandise that they are selling, or T-Pop merchandise that they are selling, we'll also be asking questions to some of the T-Pop fans here. Ayan, hello, ano yung name nyo?
Chantal po.
Chantal and?
Sen po.
Send. Ayan, so we are here now with Chantal and Send. And ano yung mga hinahanap ninyo na merchandises to buy here at the T-Pop Fest?
Siyempre Pontowin, Surf Jawa, tapos Jimmy C.
Okay. So wala namang specific na merchandise, mga ref magnets or mga pillows, wala naman, basta about sa kanila lang. So what about you naman?
Sa akin, Surf Java, Pontowin, Junior Mark, Jimmy C.
Alright, and Jimmy C. Jimmy C. Speaking, nakita natin si Jimmy. Yeah, so we saw Jimmy in person sa Thailand. Ayan, so thank you so much. Last question, ano pa yung mga inaabangan ninyo aside from T-Pop Fest sa mga future events ng Thai Entertainment or Thai Philippine Entertainment?
Yung inaabangan ko yung sa BL Fest ng Cebu. Yeah.
Okay.
Ayun pa lang yung masyadong ko yung BL Fest ng Cebu eh.
BL Fest Cebu. But I think they will also have a BL Fest dito sa Manila, right? Ayan. So what about you?
Yun din, yung dito sa Manila, BL Fest, tsaka yung sa Cebu.
Ayan. So let's wait for that. And abangan natin kung saan. Of course, yung Thai Philippine Entertainment naman will post yung mga next nila na mga fan fest. Ayan. Thank you so much. And enjoy. Kapkun Kap. Hello everyone! So currently merong nangyayaring dance? Random play dance. Ayan. But right now, we are looking for a fan base para makausap. Ayan, so dito naman tayo. Sobrang daming tao. sa loob. Hello everyone. So aside from the merchandise sa taas and yung mga fans na currently nanonood ng Random Play Dance, we also have fan bases dito sa baba. And right now, we're going to interview one of the fan bases here at the T-Pop Festival. So we are here with, ano name niyo po?
MJ.
MJ. So we are here with MJ and she is one of I think the admins of a fan base named
Dex po.
ng Dex. Ayan. So question lang po, ano yung reason kung bakit ka nag-start na maging fan ng T-pop?
Actually, ang nagdala sa akin sa T-pop is BL talaga. And then when I discover na meron silang mga boy groups, I started to stand them kasi why not? Diba? Why not? Kasi they're really talented and they really deserve the love and support.
Yes, they are talented and at the same time, yung country nila very diverse, right?
That's why we love Thailand because they're very diverse.
Exactly. Ayan, yun naman yung importante eh, di ba? Yung mafe-feel mo na you are welcome and at the same time, sobrang lovable ng mga artists nila, right?
And one of the most thing that I love from Thailand is they really have the humanity for everyone. Sobrang taas talaga.
Ay, wow! Thank you for that wonderful answer. Ayan, so thank you so much, MJ. And ipaki-invite naman yung mga fans, especially ng Dex, to support not just Dex, no? Not just Dex, but the T-pop culture itself, right? Mapa-BL man yan or T-pop, right? So, please invite them kung ano yung ino-offer ninyo, merchandise or what.
Okay. Hello guys, this is Dex Philippines and we are inviting everyone to please come and join us here today and from the other events in the future. Let's spread more love for T-pop because they really deserve it.
Yan, ilalagay din namin yung social media niyo, okay lang? Ayan, so we'll be including their social media account here on the link para din ma-visit ninyo. And one more question, ano yung nilulook forward mo pa na event ng Thai Entertainment Philippines?
Ako ang nilulook forward ko pa is sana next time madala nila yung mga Thai artists dito and para mas maging malaki yung community and magkaroon din sana tayo ng what do you call this? T-pop festival which is on a larger venue, a larger audience and sana mas marami pang maging fan katulad namin.
Ayun, there you have it everyone. Thank you so much MJ and the entire Dex community and T-pop community. Thank you. Ayan. And so right now, nandito pa rin tayo sa loob ng fan club area. So kanina nakita natin yung Dex PH. There are a lot of fan bases still here, no? Makikita natin dito sa side na to. Hello po. Versus PH. Ayan, so pwede nyo pong i-visit. Thank you. And we also have here Sugar and Spice, Pixie PH, ayan, and a lot more fan clubs na available dito sa T-pop event. So, if you're not able to make it today, please check on their page and at Thai Philippines Entertainment and of course us at the JM Entertainment. Then please check on our page for more exclusives and more future events for Thai. Now it could be T-pop or BL Fan Festival. Ayan, so currently merong Random Play Dance pa rin na nagpi-play or na ginagawang activity and we'll show you the highlights of this event in this video. Hello everyone, I am now here with BB and we are in one of the booths or fan clubs here at the T-pop events at the Ayala, the 30th Mall. So sa kanila naman, ang kanilang sinusuport is si Jeff Satur, the ever good-looking Jeff Satur. Ayan. supported. Ayan, so question lang, how did you start supporting Jeff?
Me, I started in around the era of King Porsche the TV. Yun. So parang napakinggan ko yung OST. Then from there, I watched his mall shows online. Then yeah, the rest is history.
The rest is history. So doon ka nag-start maging fan. Were you a fan of other artists before, like Thai artists before him? Or siya talaga yung naging parang naging start ng pag-idolize mo or pag-support mo sa Thai pop?
I'm actually a fan of Tainyu.
Okay.
Yes. So BL, tapos yun, na-discover yung King Porsche. Then now I'm in T-pop because of Jeff.
Oh wow, that's very nice, no? So, what is like about the Thai culture you love na ito yung sinusupport mo?
About Thai culture, I feel like sa ngayon parang close-knit yung community. So people like multiple artists and there's no problem liking multiple artists or the people are just really trying to embrace the music and the culture. So parang wala masyadong stress. At least for my, yeah, especially sa Saturday stand-up, I'm so proud. Wala masyadong stress, kaya yun.
Tama yan. Ika nga nila, yung inclusion and diversity ng Thai culture in general is at a very top level. Diba? Ayan. So again, thank you so much, Bibi, for having us. We may get your official Instagram page or social media page para din naman makita ng mga Jeff Satur fans na hindi ba alam na merong ganito palang fan club, no, si Jeff dito sa Philippines. So, kukunin namin and ilalagay na lang namin sa link dito sa video. You're welcome. Thank you so much. Kap kun kap. Hello everyone! So we are now, nandito naman ngayon tayo sa booth ng Lingorm Central PH. Ayan, of course they're supporting Lingorm as their main, right? And together with me is, ano po yung name nyo?
Jazz in JAZ.
JAZ. Ayan. Maingay dito, ang ingay. So we are now here with Jazz. Ayan, so who is one of the admins of Lingorm Central PH. And tell us something, or let us go through the tell us a story. What made you decide to support the Lingorm?
Actually, I was also just invited here today to host the segment. So, pero I'm a fan of Lingorm since The Secret of Us. So, like, since their first series. So, that's why I'm here to support the fan club.
The fandom.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. And another question is, in general, sa Thai culture in general, what is your most favorite? Or ano yung pinaka-gusto mo sa Thai culture in general pagdating sa, inclusivity?
With the Thai culture in general, I think it's the fandoms. Since like most of the fans, they respect the boundaries between like the celebrity and then us fans. Yeah. I think compared to other cultures.
Yeah. Actually, we have experienced that firsthand in Thailand, no? Kasi ako, as myself, na hindi naman ganun sobrang OA na fan na ganun. Pero nakita ko talaga yung discipline. Especially, yes, and respect of the boundaries ng mga fans nila. And that's one thing sobrang ganda nun talaga. Ayan, and last pala, not a question, but please invite them to support not just Lingorm, but of course your page if there is, so we can also promote it on our page.
Please follow Lingorm Central PH on Facebook, Ling Pong PH, Orm Cornapat PH, and I also do have a TikTok account. It's noted by Jazz. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jazz, and salamat for having us here. Ayan, thank you so much. Hello everyone! So right now, we are still here at the T-Pop Fest at the Ayala the 30th Mall. And currently, we are with...
Hunter from Gemini Group.
Yes, and he is one of the performers here at the event, no? Ayan, so question lang, what made you say yes dito sa event na to?
Kasi sobrang gusto ko yung Thailand actually. Like, I've been there many times and gusto ko yung culture nila, lahat. As in lahat doon sa bansang yun. And gusto ko rin yung music nila. Lalo na nung napakinggan ko yung Lalail and kanta ni Jeff Sotora. Sabi ko, gusto kong i-perform to. So yung na-invite ako dito, sabi ko, sige, ito na yung chance para ma-perform ko yung song na gusto ko. So,
Exactly. And speaking of Thailand, yung diversity and inclusivity ng culture nila is very nice. So kaya it's a country na babalik-balikan mo talaga, right? Not just the people, yung food nila and also the culture itself, no?
actually, like, pag napunta ka ng Thailand, parang ma-feel mo na sobrang welcome mo doon, as in, pag naglalakad ka doon, sobrang welcoming ng mga tao. Like, babatiin ka lagi ng sawadi ka, mga ganyan. And syempre, sa food pa lang nila, grabe yung cost of living doon, sobrang mura. And yung food nila, sobrang mura. Like, sa day mo, pwede ka nang kumain. Yung meal mo pwedeng 35 baht.
Exactly.
Tapos, busog ka na agad doon, mga ganon.
Yeah, exactly. And that's actually what I love about Thailand. Not just the T-pop, not just the BLs, not just the people, but everything about Thailand is very, very good. And one last question, or not a question, but can you promote your group? And of course, not just the T-pop. I know we are in the T-pop community right now, but please do promote your group and P-pop.
So yun guys, supportahan nyo po kami. Currently, nakahiatus po ang Gemini pero babalik rin kami in the middle of the year. So yun, abangan nyo po yung aming comeback and yung ako po ay wina-workout ko yung solo activities ko habang nagpapahinga po ang Gemini. And syempre, behind the scene, nagawa na po ako ng mga songs and plano ko po mag-release rin this year. And yun po, supportahan nyo kami. And syempre, for social media po, please do follow Gemini, Gemni. And then sa TikTok and other platform naman po is GMNI_official_PH. And then syempre sa solo accounts, hunter.geminiofficial,
Ayan. So of course, we will also be adding it on our video. So yung mga sinabi niya na mga social pages, social media pages, yung group niya and him itself, yung social media niya din. We are rooting for you and thank you so much. Good luck sa career mo. Thank you. Hello everyone! Again, we are still here at the T-Pop Fun Fest dito sa Ayala, the 30th Mall here in Pasig. And right now, of course, hindi na bago sa inyo to. Hindi ko nga kilala yan eh. So hindi na bago sa inyo to. So here's one of our artists na sinusupport even before pa. Syempre, we have here Joshua.
Hello everyone!
Joshua is one of the performers here at the event. And question, Josh, what made you say yes in this event?
Actually, hindi po ako alone na nag-perform. Ang kasama ko po mag-perform ngayon sila Jello, Zo, si Kylo, si Gio. And yung group namin is like collaboration ng mga solo artists. So, what made me say yes is because I want to enjoy performing with my friends.
Yes.
And I want to try something new.
Right.
Kasi I've been performing solo ever since. Ngayon, parang I wanted to try performing as a group with my friends.
With a different fan bases, right?
Yeah, so my Zolo, si Gio, sila Kylo. So, iba-iba ng fan base.
Yeah.
So, which is very, very and nakaka-enjoy.
And it's fun kasi you'll get to know not just the fans or not just the fan bases itself. No, may mga performers din na bago ngayon mo lang makakasama and that's something new to you, right?
Yes, performing as a group is something, hindi naman something new. Parang naging new lang siya sa akin ulit kasi last perform ko as a group is nung sa Dreammaker pa.
Dreammaker pa.
So ngayon na ulit ako nakapag-perform as a group.
Ayan, the ever successful Dreammaker. Ayan, so one more, Joshua, can you invite them sa mga future events na nandun ka or promotion ng social media mo?
Ayun, you can follow me on my social media accounts and either Josh Nubla or Nubla Josh sa social media accounts. And in-invite ko kayo sa February 20 sa CCP Santa Mesa. I'll be performing there as an artist of Idol Studio PH.
Yes! Ayan, once again, Joshua Nubla, everyone. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, thank you. Ayan, thank you. Hello, everyone. This is still your Kuya Rai, and we are still here at the Ayala de 30th Mall for the T-Pop Fest Philippines. And we are here, or I am here, together with ASM. Ayan, pakilala naman po kayo isa-isa.
Hi guys, my name is Gio. Hi guys, this is Zoe.
Hello everyone, my name is Jello.
Hindi niyo ba ako kilala? I am Josh!
Kylo po.
Nangiginig sila. Kapag nagpa-perform sila, hindi sila nahihiya. Pero kapag interview. Ayan, so, question. Natanong ko na rin kay Josh kanina to. What made you say yes dito sa event na to? Again, what made you say yes dito sa event na to? Sino gusto mag...
Thank you for that question. Actually, one of the reason we said yes sa event na to, sorry medyo paos po ako, is because of the fans and of course, we love to perform. So, this is our, like, the first appearance as a ASIM means All-Star Collaboration main stage. So, we are a individual artist who was collaborated into one group. So this is all collaboration po. And then, one of the things na nagpa-oo sa amin is because of the fans and of course, sa mga friends po namin sa Paris because of them. And of course, ay na yun, naririnig nyo kami. And of course, masaya po kasi kami nagpa-perform. We love performing, kaya we said yes. Tsaka, kayo, may sasabihin pa ba kayo? Wala na.
Sabi mo na lahat eh.
Sabi ko na ba lahat? Sorry. Pero that's all po. Ayun na.
And I hope we would get to have a collaboration as well. You know, a sit-down interview with you para mas makilala pa kayo ng mga fans ninyo, right? Alam natin na, of course, you have already gathered a lot of fans already, right? Pero gusto din natin ng mas malalim pa na personal talks, no? Parang maganda yon, di ba? Parang maganda. Yeah, na lahat kayo. Ngayon na daw. Dito tayo sa dental. Ayan. So thank you so much. And one more question is that, ano sa tingin nyo yung may i-offer nyo pa sa mga fans niyo that they've already seen or they've already seen pero ano pa yung may i-offer nyo pa? Anyone?
So nakita naman nila kami mag-dance. So instead of, kumbaga, aside sa dance, actually, syempre may tinatago rin kaming mga vocals and other talents. So, sana kung may mag-invite man sa amin as a collaboration again, so mapapakita namin as a group, as a collaboration, na mas marami pa kami mapapakita mas maganda sa inyo guys. And abangan nyo yan. Yun lang.
Kaya guys, you need to stay tuned for us kasi we're not just a performer but we are a storyteller. Love you.
Thank you so much for that wonderful answer. Ayan, so they are not just a performer but a storyteller. That's something that they can, give more than their dancing and more than their singing skills, no? Ayan, and one last would be, can you share us your social media accounts and your future events?
Ayan. For me guys, you can follow me on my IG and TikTok at hellokylo_. Di ko naman na-spell, no? Lalabas naman nila dito yun eh. Okay.
Ayan, ako naman, Nubla Josh or Josh Nubla on social media accounts.
You can follow me on my Instagram account and TikTok account. It's Jealous with you, and also on my Facebook account. It's Jella Langi Mendoza. Thank you.
Hi guys, you can follow me on Instagram, X, and Facebook and TikTok at Zo Samson. Thank you so much.
Hi guys, so I'm Gio. You can guys follow me on Instagram. My username is gio.eon. Palagi na lang po. It's also the same with TikTok. Thank you so much.
Ayan, and you can also follow me. Naging group, ka-group din pala. Ayan, so don't forget to follow them on social media. We will all be adding it on this video. And of course, their group is, thank you so much for joining us in the interview. Ayan, so again, please support them and follow them and support their future collaborations and future events as well. Thank you so much, Aizem. Thank you. Thank you po. And that concludes our K-pop Fan Festival here at the Ayala 30th Mall here in Pasig. And please watch out for more events made possible by the Thai Entertainment Philippines. And for JM Entertainment, please watch out for our next episodes of exclusives as well. And let me also use this opportunity to promote the On the Road Season 1 and 2 only at the JM Entertainment YouTube channel. And please also follow and subscribe to JM Entertainment and also to my personal account, Kuya Rai, at IAMRYL 716. That's my Instagram account. That's IAMRYL 716. And it will all be posted here on our video. Once again, this is JM Entertainment Exclusives, and this is the T-Pop Fest Event Philippines.